Welcome to Health Tips, hosted by Dr. Syed Bokhari.
Hello and welcome to the Health Tips. I am Dr. Syed Bokhari. My goal is to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the best possible medical expertise, state-of-the-art technology, and most importantly, personalized, compassionate care. So if you have a heart murmur and have had chest pain or discomfort, have passed out or even just felt lightheaded, and have been diagnosed with heart failure, you may be suffering from aortic stenosis, which simply means a narrowing of a heart valve, keeping it from opening fully, thus reducing blood flow and oxygen to the rest of the body. Aortic stenosis is the most common and most serious of all the heart valve diseases. In younger patients, it is caused by a congenitally defective valve that has only 2 leaflets instead of the 3 normal ones. In the elderly, the aortic stenosis is caused by age-related calcific degeneration of the valve. Aortic stenosis is life-threatening, killing more people than many of the common cancers. Half the patients diagnosed today with aortic stenosis, if left untreated, will not be alive in 1 to 2 years. Still, more than half of the patients are not even referred for treatment. The most important thing is to confirm whether the chest pain, dizziness, and heart failure are really being caused by aortic stenosis. We have a number of ways to diagnose aortic stenosis, such as echocardiogram, which is simply an ultrasound of the heart, a CAT scan, or even an angiogram to confirm the diagnosis. Historically, patients used to undergo an open heart surgery to replace the aortic valve. Now, I can offer you a minimally invasive transcatheter aortic valve replacement procedure called TAVR, which is 75% less risk than the open heart surgery. But first, let's talk and figure out what's causing your symptoms, and then we can figure out the best treatment option that'll get you back to what you love to do. So call me. I can help you and your loved ones. Check us out at drbokhari.com and please call us at 951-682-6900 to make an appointment. Thank you.